Hola Mi Chente, soy DJ Taxi, and today I'll be helping you decide if you should make the Sonos Roam your next speaker. And what makes this video any different from all the other videos? Well, if you're like me, then what's gonna make it more interesting? I'm gonna do the details, cover. Again, this is one that I bought already and opened and used religiously, and this is one that the pair that I haven't opened yet. So this is the one we'll be opening. But not only will I be opening it, I'll be opening it on weed. What it do? We're back. So now we finna blow that lovely herb. It's gonna be more of a sour D / velvet kush hybrid I got going on here. You know, because I'm here also to break myths and shit. You know what I'm saying? All these false claims about Miss Mary and such. But enough about that. Let's get to it. Go faster.
DJ Toxic, DJ Toxic, DJ Toxic, DJ Toxic.
We're back. So, yeah, now I'm feeling right. And you're like, wait, what? But you're hot. How you gonna let it happen? So, the Sonos Roam, I'll just show you. It's as mobile, that's how I'm gonna describe it. It's as mobile as you are, or as we are. And this thing can go anywhere with you. It's got one little USB connection here for charging and such, and also just life support in general. So I'm also a DJ, so not only do I love music, you know what I mean? I love, you know, playing it for everybody. You know what I mean? Playing good music and such. DJ Taxi. Anyway, so this is the design itself. Looks beautiful, very easy. I don't even use these controls. Yeah, but you can see them there. They have the controls if you're a physical toucher. I use my phone, which I'm on right now, so that's how I connect. And so you're probably in the middle of your search right now. You know what I mean? I'm here to help, you know what I mean? Kill that search, be done with it. If, again, you're looking for a speaker to be as mobile as you are. And this is the packaging itself for, this is the white one. I bought both, you know what I mean? Because ladies, you know what I mean? I don't pick one color, I pick them all. Rainbow, what's up? So this is white, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'll be doing that right now for you. So again, just looking at the box, it looks dope. It's very basic, very new wave, you know what I mean, green type colors. They didn't add too much or go too hard trying to impress you with the packaging. All right, so you just saw me rip that off. I have something sharp here just in case I forgot when I opened that one. But yeah, these are just rip-offs. You just saw me rip those guys off. So then this guy should just go. Ta-da! Let's see. Boom, there it is. Just comes right off. And then we'll just add that guy right here. And then, yeah, this is the little, which I've been using it for this black one to carry it around. I haven't bought a case yet, but I will, for sure. Especially for a pair. So I was waiting to open this guy. So I'll do that right, and open it. Give you the, you know what I'm saying? The exclusive, y'all. So before I go any further here, you're probably getting the debate between big speaker and, you know, this being such a small speaker. Here, kill that noise, you know what I mean? Because those individuals, this isn't for them. Because they're hard of hearing, number one. Because the big speaker fuck up your ears. You know what I mean? This is my investment. I gotta take care of this. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to keep the money coming. If I mess that up with a big speaker, correction, I have big speakers. Like, I got a PA for that. A Bluetooth speaker will never be a PA. Get your mind right. Like, just separate. If I pull up with the PA and you got your little Bluetooth, no one's hearing you. Like, I can make that not happen, like, in a hurry. So again, we're talking like Bluetooth mobile speaker. So yeah, people will be like, hey man, get the big one though. It's got the thump, it's got the bass, and it sounds like crap. None of those made the cut for me, if I'm being honest. I'm being real, you're here so far. So now, we're gonna go ahead and just, look at that. Ooh. This compliment, you know what I mean? This is that new look, the Apple-y type look, you know what I'm saying? It's very simple, very sleek, you know, very minimalist. It's a trend, y'all. So, you know, I just want to give y'all a good look. I might edit this, make it go a little faster later. We don't know. But yeah, so you can also, with these little humps that you see here, you can like lay it down, stand it up. Those are like the two methods. So, yeah, this is great. And let's go ahead and keep looking at what it all comes with. So, again, I took that guy off, and now we're stuck with this guy. So this is just the paperwork and the cord that I mentioned. Oh, they give you, so I have a black one and a white cord. They match. Oh, so cute. So here's the iPhone, or I'm sorry, the little connection back here. This is where that connects, and then the other connects to your normal USBs. So yeah, I have a white one and a black one. I'm not gonna open this one yet because I already have one. I'll just go grab that one for meow. And then here's the little, you know, very simple again. It's just like a one-pager. Damn, tells you everything you need to know. I don't need to because I've already done it. But I'm just saying, they got you. It's very simple. So if you haven't been exposed to the Sonos universe ecosystem, I'm currently sitting on that right now. I have like one of the first ones, I believe, that they came out with. It's great. Like, it is great. I haven't really seen anything to like come near it. It was an investment in myself and my sound, my home theater system. But yeah, I have the main, middle here, and then I have two rears, or left, right, and then I have a sub down here. And that basically connects, you get on the phone, on your mobile device, you get the app itself, and that's how you, basically that's your mixer essentially. So you'll be able to control things within, like, let's say I play Spotify, you know, DJ Taxi, it's a part of my business, you know what I mean? Spotify, because they play nice with everybody. They play nice with Sonos. So, like approved apps and such will stream through the speakers when you're at home. It relies on your IP, basically, your internet. That's what it's using. It's not so much Bluetooth at home, it's your internet. So if your internet's down, the connection to the phone will be down, but let's say you're connected via optical, which you should be, then you'll still get your sound, and not really, if the TV is what you're expecting to hear. But these little guys in themselves, they connect to this little universe essentially. So I'm adding speakers. So like, let's say it's, you know, party time, and you know, there's no sound coming out in my room over here. You know, I'll be, hold up, let me go boop, boop, turn these guys on, and then boom, just add them back there for more sound. That's what it offers. So again, this is what I was saying with the speaker being as mobile as you are. And this very much accomplishes that. Not only that, so I'll give you extra stuff because, you know what I'm saying, I'll make it worth your time, amigos. Here we go. So, what is that? What's that? Tesla. This is a box in which I bought from Amazon. I'll have to look for the link, so pending. And this guy right here is what I use So I'm at Liberty Creek Village. I'll be linked there because I'm gonna be the DJ here. And you know, I have the PA, like I said, big speaker. Well, PA. That's big. That's where you're gonna get the most bang out of your buck. Yeah. And I would bring that, especially when I wanted to fill it. But then I was getting, you know, I was being more mindful, and I was like, how could I do? I had a Bose, you know, but I was kind of old and I kind of wanted to get rid of it. So I, you know, let that go to my brother so I can, you know, invest and buy these new ones here. Because, again, these two pair, for instance, if I'm not at home and let's say I get access to another internet, basically I could connect these two to get, you know, double the bang. So other speakers don't do that. Also, so if you really want some bang, again, I'm a DJ, but I'm giving you some, you know what I'm saying, free swag here. This is, I'll probably link it if they still sell it, because I bought it about 2 years ago or so. But basically, I'll bring the connection as well, but you can sit right here, you see that? So I came back with some USB charging, because again, putting on what I do, and again, I'm a DJ, and I tested this and people love it, and they've only heard one speaker so far. I have 2 boxes, so basically each one of these gets a box. Like, we have a pretty big pool. If you go check out the Liberty Creek Village website, I'm located in Oklahoma City, and that is where Liberty Creek Village is. And if you look, the main pool itself is pretty big. Like, this one little guy pretty much filled that area. That's just one. So I'll be having 2. I'll be testing this out probably, well, no, it looks beautiful outside today, so maybe today, who knows, on a Tuesday. And so here's the connection in black. You saw the white, this is for the black. So you can even get cute there, get 2 different colors going, you know. So the message, you know, all colors, chill. Here you go. so I put that guy there. So when I'm running it out there, I don't want it to die on me. So of course, you know, I'm a thinker. You know, I like to be on the safe side. So like I could connect my little mini USB. And boom, that's just gonna power it, so it won't die. So it already has about 7 or 8 hours of life without this, so it's gonna keep the party going, and I haven't had any issues. I'll go into some drawbacks, but oh, and then also you can connect to like this one as well. You know, I have a big one and a small one. You know, just to give you different sizes. You know, because I know ladies like different sizes. So there that is. So now we'll get into, yeah, as far as impressions, when I played it out for people, they love it. Like, they come by and they're like, what the? They come look and they're like, damn, it's all coming from that little guy. It fills out until, so if we're at the lakeside, again, check out the website for Liberty Creek Village. It's all on there. There's a lakeside clubhouse, and I face the speaker outward, and it points toward like the volleyball courts and all that. Like, and people can still hear it if I want them to hear it. But if I get these 2 guys going with boxes, yeah, everyone's hearing it. But again, this isn't as, you know, much, you know, compared to my QSC PAs that I have below. So I only use one of those, and those guys, if you know, those guys are loud, and it's a 12. And that guy is banging. Like, you could get a sub, but I really don't need one because I think it's just loud. But so now we'll get into some drawbacks, I guess. It isn't really drawbacks, except I guess it depends on what you're using. Again, so when I've used this thing so far, I haven't really connected to my ecosystem at home. So when I use it out at the clubhouse or any clubhouse and not here, I use the Bluetooth, because these speakers have Bluetooth on it. The ones that I have at home do not, but they do play nice with each other when I connect them. So if I turn this guy on at the clubhouse, I'm connected via Bluetooth. So the way that I'm using my one of my sources, you know, could be the problem. But if you use like a typical YouTube, Spotify, whatever it is you're using, it should be good. Again, the speaker protects itself. That's kind of the drawback I have. It's not a drawback, except the music does, boom, drop to a level. You know, I guess when you push the speaker maybe past 90 or something, the speaker saves itself and just drops the volume. And like, you know, if you got people dancing and stuff, they're just like what? Where'd the music go? You gotta hurry and turn that thing back up to get it going. Maybe turn it down to like 70%. But that's about it, because, you know, that's why I'm gonna introduce this second guy here, so I don't have to, you know, draw that much power. And I'm gonna keep you posted on the result. You know, I'm kind of very much feeling like doing that today. And again, this is all on weed right now. I'm very high. And I hope you're high too. And again, I'm in Oklahoma City. It's your boy DJ Taxi. And I very much love for you to join my clique. You know, this is, again, hoping this receives and hits the ears of the people that want a speaker as mobile as they are. And a speaker that offers technical like benefits, you know what I mean, perks. You know, if you do choose to invest in Sonos, you get, you know, you're gonna get great sound. Let's say you have your system set up in your living room, you can have basically speakers in every room of your house, or have them outside. Like, I call these guys patio, because they're basically for me to go outside with. And they're great. I'm loving them. So far. I'll keep you posted when I get the two up together with boxes and all that, see how that works, because at that point I'll be using the actual Spotify app, because I believe you can't connect both of these two via Bluetooth, so you actually have to be on an internet connection to get the ecosystem going between the two. But I haven't proven that yet, but I'm thinking that's what the research told me. So again, I'm gonna see if that's true, or if I can do what I normally expect. It's your boy DJ Taxi, letting music move us, you, me, my chente, forward. And again, I highly recommend making the Sonos Roam your speaker of choice if you're trying to make that decision. And don't listen to, you know, the old heads, the people that, you know, what did you say? You know what I mean? Like, don't listen to them, you know, because they're hard of hearing because they just wanted the big speaker. And, you know what I mean? Like, this sound is very professional and pleasant. And this little guy actually bangs real loud. And when I have it in this box, yeah, the big speaker nonsense, kill that real quick. So again, it's your boy DJ Taxi. And I hope you got the information you needed to make this the speaker of choice. And again, like, subscribe. I appreciate all that. And I'm looking to grow. Again, I'm located in Oklahoma City. And DJing is what I do. So again, this isn't just, this is my personal, you know, deal. But again, I up it when people are around, because I want people to appreciate great music. I don't play that toxic nonsense unless you request it. But again, you should check out my site. I'll have all the details below, you know, all my social, etc. I appreciate your time. And again, it's a beautiful day in Oklahoma City. That's why I am the way I am, comfortable in my skin. And if you're not, that's no problem. But it is what it is. Take care. It's DJ Taxi again. Loving the Sonos Roam. I'm gonna continue this guy. And I couldn't, you know, because I'm on the phone, I'm talking to you, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this real. Take care, deuce. DJ Taxi, letting music move us forward. Here's the white one. Sounds great. And then here's the black one over here. So that's the final setup right there. That's how that looks. It looks dope. We got Fat Tony playing inside. I mean, what you talking about? Garth or Brooks and Dunn. Yeah, that's how I'm living. Later.